Hey guys, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel, LaMonicas Lab. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a Sephora haul. They definitely took a lot of coin from me recently, and I've just been adding stuff as time has been going on. Some of the stuff I have tried on, some of the stuff I've worn, but most of it is still brand new. So I wanted to share it with you guys before I really start doing makeup tutorials on this stuff. And so yeah, I love shopping at Sephora. It just makes you want to spend your whole checking account, savings account, additional account, whatever the case may be. So nevertheless, if you want to see what I got from Sephora recently, give this video a thumbs up if you like Sephora hauls. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into this video. You may want to grab your tea, your popcorn, your chips, because I have a few products, and since I tried some of the products, I'm going to be going a little bit more in depth into those products. So yeah, get your seat, get comfy, and yeah, let's go ahead and get into this haul. So first I'm going to start off with this lip color I'm wearing. It is so pretty, you guys, and comfortable, and it goes with all skin tones, I'm telling you. This is the Sephora Collection number 82. The shade comes on the packaging, but once you take the packaging off, of course, that's trash. So I don't know what it is, but I'll swatch it right here. But it's a beautiful color. That's how the packaging looks, and this is what it swatches. If you haven't tried any of these Sephora collections, they are $14, I believe. I'll link this one down below if I can remember the color. I don't even remember the color. That's crazy. But if you go in the Sephora store, it's number 82. They came out with additional shades, so now they have a total of 99 cream lip stains. 99 is a lot, so there is a variety of colors that you could choose from. I'm gonna get my hands on these, some more of these colors. If you guys want me to do a lip swatch of more of the Sephora lip creams, then definitely comment down below and give this video a thumbs up. So no particular order, I'm just gonna pull out out the bag, but I'm gonna start with this one since it's sticking out. It is a skincare product. This is the Bio Peel Plus Advanced Treatment Gauze Peeling and Lemon Gauze Peeling Pads. They are promotable for visibly clear skin and brighter skin. But it's a light exfoliant, and it looks like this. They smell bomb. I just love the smell of lemon. It's just so refreshing, so fresh, so clean. So fresh and so clean. How many of you guys remember that song? Comment down below. But these are so fresh and so clean. Like, I exfoliate with these at least 2 to 3 times a week because it is, like I said, it's a light exfoliant. It also promotes visibly clearer skin, smoother skin, and brighter skin. These only retail for $27, you guys. They come in lemon and they come in green tea. I'm going to get my hands on the green tea one as well, but let me see. Does it say how many? You get 30 pads in here. So the cool thing about these pads is not like a typical pad to exfoliate or cleanse your skin. One side has the exfoliant part. You stick your finger in it, and then the other side is the soft pad to rub, and you just go in circular motions going outward on your face. These are amazing, you guys. Definitely try to grab these or look into these at Sephora. And again, they are the Neogen Dermalogy Lemon Pads. The next thing I'm going to pull out here is one of my favorites. You guys let me know if you want me to do another favorites video. But this is my first time buying the full size of this. I had a trial size of this. I've had many samples of it. I've had many giftable purchases from Ulta of it. And I just buckled down and bought the full size. This is the Thomas Roth Water Drench Cloud Cream Cleanser. This cleanser, you guys, is bomb. It really does what it claims to be. It says gently removes makeup and impurities. Hyaluronic acid draws water vapor from the clouds to help lock in moisture with sodium PCA coconut oil and marshmallow root extract. It is fragrance free and ophthalmologist tested for all skin types. This thing is amazing, you guys. This is what the packaging looks like. Super cute. So this is what the bottle looks like. So after I take my makeup off with makeup wipes, I go behind that and I cleanse my face with this Thomas Roth Water Drench Cloud Cleanser. It definitely gets all of your makeup off while leaving your skin smooth and not dry, because the hyaluronic acid is a hydration for your skin. So yeah, that is that. Next, pulling out of the bag, so Rihanna came out with another banger. She's definitely taking way too much of my coin, but I did get my hands on the Killawatt Full Freestyle Highlighter Duo in the colors Mimosa Sunrise and Sangria Sunset. You guys know the packaging is lit. It is to die for. So I'm gonna swatch these because I've been waiting to show you guys this so that I can do a video and so that I can wear them, because I haven't even wore them because I've been wanting to do a video for you guys. So pretty. Ah, I can't wait to wear them. Oh my goodness, and they feel so buttery. So this is what they look like on my skin tone. I can't wait to wear these. Can't wait. Like I said, let me know down below if you guys want me to do a full face of Fenty Beauty. I think that would be so much fun. Next, pulling out the bag are 2 more items from Fenty Beauty. These are the 2 Island Bling 2-in-1 liquid eye shimmers. I got both of them. She only came out with 2. The first one is Summer Fling Rainbow, and I actually had this on the other day. This one is a simple, like, everyday type of color scheme. This side is that glitter, like green glitterish one, and it glides on so smoothly, guys, and it's ridiculous. Like, and this is that natural brown one. The other one is in Mamacita and Teeny Keeny. Am I saying that right? Yep, Teeny Keeny. And this one, I was like, you know, I might as well get this one too. I just recently added this one to my haul. I actually may wear this sooner than doing the video, but I love them. They're definitely like everyday. I don't really want to do too much, but that's all of them right there. I don't want to do too much to my makeup, but I'm still like shining and glistening and looking like I did something. That is those 2 right there. Got those. Next, I'm gonna pull out Makeup Forever. See, I knew this was gonna happen with this shirt. Makeup Forever just recently came out with some artist color pencils. They look just like color pencils. They have the wooden pencil and everything. Let me try to open this up. So I have it in the color 702 Any Tangerine, and it looks like this, and I'll swatch it for you. And they are matte pencils, so pretty. Oh my goodness. It's right here. Do you guys see the pigment on that orange? I cannot wait to wear this all over the lip. So exciting. So yes, that is 702 Any Tangerine. These are the Makeup Forever artist color pencils. And the cool thing about these pencils is that you can wear them on your lip, your eye, your face, your brows. They have browns, like a range of different browns that you can use for your brows. So definitely got to get your hands on some of these. Next in here, I have the Sephora Collection. Again, this is a hot flush, long-lasting blush in the color hot. I'm reading it wrong. It's the long-lasting blush in the color Hot Flush, and it is the Sephora Colorful Collection. This is what that looks like. I've just been on this orange kick lately, like just putting on oranges. Like, this color is amazing. Let me see if I can put it right. You guys see that? Crazy, right? Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. So pretty. I cannot wait to play in that. I cannot wait to put that on as a blush. And grabbing the last 2 items out of here from Sephora. This one is a smoky waterproof kohl pencil from Black Up. Now, my coworker was like, girl, you gotta get this, you gotta get this. I was like, I've always wanted a green like this. I don't have a green like this. So I was like, okay, sure, no problem. So once I swatched it, I was like, wow. I even thought about taking it back. Like, I had it back at the store and everything, and I was just like, I couldn't return it. So I'm gonna keep it, and that's what it looks like right there. And this is what the packaging looks like, so you guys can know. This color, you guys, is amazing. Okay, in the waterline, this color will be so gorgeous. It glides on so smoothly, and it's like a gel consistency. So that is that pencil right here, the Black Up waterproof kohl pencil. And last but not least, it's an oldie but goodie. I always wanted to get it, and there was more back in stock at my local Sephora. This is the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions eyeshadow palette. Adorbs. You guys already know what this one looked like, so I'm not gonna really swatch it, but I am gonna swatch this dark color here because I wanna know how these dark colors work. Oh, not bad. are really pigmented, you guys. Can't wait to do a look on this. So excited about this. You guys ever get excited about makeup? Let me know down below, because I think it's just me. I think it's just me. Maybe it's just me. So I have 2 more items. They're not from Sephora, but I figured I'll add it into this haul. I purchased them from Raleigh Rose. I definitely want to go back and grab a few more things from there because they have so many cute things that Ulta and Sephora does not have. This one is the LA Splash Wickedly Divine Smudge Proof Eyeliner, and the packaging looks like this. I've never heard of them before. Never seen them. They are cruelty free if you're into that, wanting to know that information. But I thought the packaging of this liner was so cute. So there's a jewel on top of it. And then the bottom is like this. And I got it in this yellow color because I was like, I don't have a glitter that's yellow. And it's right here. If you guys see the glitter line, that is the LA Splash. This color is so pretty, you guys. If you guys can see how the reflection of it, so cute. So I got one of those. And I've also been trying out lately this really cutie patootie Beauty Bakerie Better Not Bitter Flour setting powder. The packaging is so cute. I put it back in here for the sake of the video, but I have it in the shade yellow. And I've been just testing it out. And when I say, you guys, this stuff is so amazing. Like, by the end of the day, my under eyes are not as creasy and crackly and looking separated from different climates or whatever the case may be. This definitely holds my concealer in place. So if you have a Raleigh Rose, or if you want to log onto their website, you guys got to check out these flour setting powders by Beauty Bakery. They do have a translucent one as well. So that is that. And that is everything that I had in this particular haul. Give this video a thumbs up if you like more, if you'd like to see more Sephora hauls or even Raleigh Rose. Comment down below if you tried any of these products, if you thought about trying them, if you want to see me do a review on them. Comment down below so I'll know what you guys want to see. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and turn on that post notification bell so you will not miss any future uploads. So if you guys enjoyed this video, I hope you did, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.